Hey, good to see you. How does a meme coin launch actually look from the creator's perspective? Today, I am going to launch a meme coin and watch how a pull works. First, I'll check the top of Deck Screener to see what's trending and find a good narrative we can copy or design yourself. A good coin always have a lot of buyers and snipers. Anyway, give me a couple of minutes and I'll be back. Okay, so I found some coin. It's called task.fun. I don't know, it's just some random AI. Okay, so now we just need a description and to set the supply. So when you set the supply, you want to set it to 1 billion. So that's going to be 9 digits. Obviously, on top of the 1. So you want to put 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go, 1 billion. Okay, so for the description, I'm just going to go onto their Twitter. Okay, so I actually went onto their website, I'm going to put it into the description. And now here comes the fun part. So credit info, you don't have to select this. It's optional, but if you want to more successful content, you can select this. So socials and tags, we're going to add all their socials. Obviously, once again, just to make it look more legit so we get more buyers. But yeah, so you want to select revoke freeze, and then you want to select revoke mint and revoke updates. This basically gives you parental access, so you're pretty much in control of what happens. But yeah, so now you want to click launch. Make sure you have your work active. There we go. Now you want to click launch token, but first let me just see how much we have in our wallet. I'm just going to top it up. Okay, so I topped the wallet up 5 sol on just token. Okay, so it's going to bring up a menu. Proceed, confirm. Now the reason it says all this is because the API is not verified yet, but I can promise you guys it's safe. And if you don't trust it, then just simply don't use it. It's completely up to you. But yeah, quick confirm. Now we just gotta wait till your coin gets created. Okay, there we go. Our coin has done this. Now it's gonna say transaction link. You can copy and paste this. It's completely up to you. It's gonna load again to give you your coin address. Let me just close all these browsers down. Okay, there we go. Our token is being successfully created. Now what you wanna do is open up your Phantom wallet. Gonna scroll down here and you're gonna see your coin task phone right here, 1 billion% supply. Okay, so now you want to click onto your coin, click these 3 dots, and then just view it on Solana. And you want to copy the token address right here. Just select the token address, and then you want to go over to again. Then you want to click over to liquidity pool. It's gonna open up Radium. From here, you're gonna want to create your coin's liquidity pool. Pretty much what this is you just initializing your coin so it can be on the market, but in the way where you own the coin's full percentage. So, okay, so when you're on here, you want to go to liquidity, quick create, quick standard AMM, quick continue, and you want to go over to Radium, select Sol, click onto this gray box, click here, come back onto here, copy your token address, and then just put it in here. It should come up here. Okay, so now you want to put your symbol in the name. So I'm just going to copy what I had. So task and then task.fun. Remove the dot because I removed it in my lane. But yeah, you want to click add user token. Select the supply. Okay, as you can see, we own 1 billion% of the supply. Now what you want to do is select 900 million right here. And then you want to come down to Sol right here. We have 4 Sol here, so I'm just going to do 4 Sol, but you don't have to do this. You can do, 1 Sol, 2 Sol. You don't have to have much money for this. As long as you have the initial amount, 0.5 to create a claim, or these 2 optional, so 0.3, whatever. And then, come over to tier fee. Just put this to 2%. Click that. Ring is gonna pop up. For Sol into 6k unknown tokens. Okay, nice. Then click confirm. Pool created. There we go. And now this information is important. Just click got it. Okay, nice. So select your token address again. Then go into Deck Screener and just click onto a coin, then go into the top and then just copy and paste your token address for theirs, so it instantly loads into the URL and it should come up. Okay, so if it says this when you load it, just literally wait 2 minutes and it should appear. Okay, there we go. It's appeared. Okay, nice. So we've created our coin. Now you want to wait for, let's see here. Okay, so the coin's 1 May old right now. Only snipers have bought. So you've got a lot of buyers right here. If you wanted to pull this coin right now, the coin is literally 2 minutes old. You can pull it and you can get away with literally all this. So what these people are invested, so 150, go over to portfolio, go over to standard. Okay, so you want to keep refreshing on my portfolio here until your pool shows up. This usually takes about 10 minutes. I know sometimes it takes like 15-20 minutes. Now you just want to wait until your pool is right here. As you can see, these snipers have bought here and then resold here. Now, when the coin gets to about 5-10 minutes old, then you're going to start seeing the real buyers, because it takes some time to be listed on the main screen or back schooner. But yeah, let's just wait. I'll put on the time lapse. But yeah, guys, you can watch the buyers come in and, you know, buyers themselves, whatever, see how it does. So I think I'm going to put now. Okay, so there we don't have to refresh. So when you go back onto Radium, your precision is going to be here. Now what you want to do is you want to click on it and you want to pull this all the way to the right. Okay, there we go, 2,800. Now this coin did actually go pretty crazy. Now we're still getting buying sales. It's going pretty good. Come over here and now assets will be received 13 sold. The reason this coin is doing so well and is getting a lot of buyers is because obviously our narrative, it was very good. You know, we did the description, we did the name, the title on the Loot website. We did credit info, we added the social tags. So yeah, this coin is starting to blow off. You know, a lot of people are liking it. We're getting a lot of buyers on those sales. Quite a lot here. It's doing pretty well. So refresh this. Look, now it's on 2,900. So yeah, I might take out. Yeah, look, people are starting to sell. Okay, I'm taking out, bro. So yeah, if you want to take out, you just do this, blah blah blah. Click here. There you go. Confirm. You know, the query removed. There we go. Okay, so no, we own nothing of the supply. Yeah, a lot of people are starting to sell now, actually. As you can see, removed. Now the client, you know, renders to exist. As you can see, we're only owning 300 million % of the coin now. So if you want to remove that, then you can go into Soul Incinerate it. This is a pretty good coin that you see around the client app interaction. So yeah, this is decent pull. All right, guys. So that is pretty much the whole story of how these tokens go from just a simple idea to the very end of their journey. I really hope this little video gave you a much clearer picture of how this ecosystem operates on a daily basis, and what actually goes on when you see those massive spikes and sudden quiet moments on your screen. If you found this interesting, or if it helped you understand how these things work a little bit better, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.